Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a beautiful Scout 355 LXF. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this boat is equipped with the optional full hull color midnight blue color option. We also have a accent stripe in the Scout white color, matching white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. Towards the back of the boat, you can see we have a full walk across along the transom. Plenty of real estate to navigate in this portion of the boat. We have a area for a dive ladder to make it easier to get in and out of the boat, in addition to the dive door on the side. And this boat is powered by triple 350 Verados in the Pearl Fusion White, which also matches the Scout color. Now we'll transition inside the boat. So here in the cockpit of the 355 LXF from Scout, you'll see we have the interior cushion package in the Masilla color. Very soft heritage tan with the cayenne overlay. The stern seat is very large and substantial with oversized hardware. Very comfortable for two people with plenty of support for your back. And when not in use, it stows away really nicely. Here we've got a nice cockpit door. Again, plenty of real estate at the transom to get from one side of the boat to the other. And easy to keep small children or dogs safely inside. At the transom, we also have a large live well. We have fish boxes on both sides. So this boat is plenty equipped for fishing, but also a great entertaining boat as well. As you expect from Scout, large bilge access, easy to get to everything. Everything's finished out, all plug and play. This aft-facing seat has storage beneath that can also serve as a cooler. And this backrest also comes down. You have 4 cup holders, gives you a little bit of a prep station or something, or a space to serve hors d'oeuvres. Cup holders on either side, rocket launchers along the hardtop, JL audio speakers built into the hardtop, and plenty of areas for support if you're standing. Here on the port side, this boat does have a dive door that opens inward. You can see we've got an attachment for a reboarding ladder, but obviously this is also a great feature if you're wanting to pull in a larger fish without having to do so over the gunnels. Pop-up cleats, flush-mounted rod holders. We do have fender pros on this boat. Quick disconnect for your fenders. Moving forward, triple wide seats at the helm with armrests. And these seats are heated. That is a standard option. Here at the dash, we have really well-equipped triple screens from Garmin, a 16 and 2 12s. We've got the Mercury vessel view display. This boat is a joystick boat from Mercury. That includes your skyhook and your autopilot feature. And of course, you have digital throttle and shift from Mercury. Digital start and stops. AC at the helm. Nice glove box. Cup holders on both sides. And controls for the trim tabs with LED indicators. More speakers forward. Digital switching. And we also have a Garmin VHF in addition to cranking out riggers. Down in the head, got a self-contained porcelain head, a sink, a refrigerator, and a dinette that does convert into a berth. Further forward, great entertaining area from Scout. Huge Chaise Lounge with a console with cup holders. Plenty comfortable for larger adults. The seat is contoured for lower back support. We've also got storage beneath. There's the dive ladder I mentioned earlier for the tuna door. This table is electrically actuated. You have two controls here to raise and lower the table. It goes all the way down to the floor if you want it out of the way, or it does go down flush with the seats, and you can throw a filler cushion on it. Plenty of seating up in the bow. Storage on both sides. Storage in the deck as well that you can easily access without the table in your way. All these cushions come right out, so if you want to fish this area and have the cushions out of the way, you can easily do so. You got freshwater fill up front, combo rod and cup holders, so this boat can accommodate a bow sunshade. And of course, your windlass anchor with pedestal controls. So that's Scout's 355 LXF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you.